dementia prevention starts with a smart abacus. South Korea's elderly population continues to grow, and the number of people experiencing dementia is also increasing. The best way to stop the number of seniors with dementia from growing is to prevent it by creating educational programs. Smart Abacus connects wirelessly to your smartphone and PC. You can use the educational content as a game in internet. For seniors who have difficulty with the abacus, we also offer a smart keyboard that makes it easy to access. Smart textbooks allow students to work on their math skills independently, and game-based books improve comprehension. To use the smart abacus, simply power on the abacus, go to the website, connect the abacus, and select the training content you want. The 11line abacus connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, and the first line on the far right of the abacus is used for decimal calculations, with numeric calculations starting on the second line. With the comprehension training games that come with the smart abacus, you can improve your comprehension skills with light-hearted games that last from 3 to 10 minutes. Observation skills can also be enhanced through observation training game, where groups of up to 8 people work simultaneously to solve a given problem. There are several papers on the cognitive benefits of gaming, and we are trying to replicate the effects of the following papers by using the content of the abacus. If you need a custom curriculum design or training description, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to custom design the content and curriculum to fit the time and number of people in your training program. Thank you.